This is a quick tutorial on how to order using the new Presswise system for HughesPrint. When you follow the link from the MaximizedLiving website to place an order, you'll be presented with a login screen. Simply enter the email address. In this case, it's an example of PDP customers, and the password, and you can log in immediately to the site. Once inside the site, the catalog on the left will vary depending on which type of MaximizedLiving customer group you belong to. Or if you're ordering from corporate, it will look a little bit different. But for the PDP users, they'll be getting this set of catalogs. And just like shopping online anywhere, you get presented with options on the right based upon which link you choose on the left. So say you've decided you want to order some rave cards. It'll come up with a preview and with all the information that you need to enter in to fill your information into the various slots on the cards. Notice that some of the fields will turn red, and they have a specific format that they are looking for. So in this case, it wants the date format in the format of date, month, year. And as soon as that is correct, that error message goes away. When you have finished entering all of the text, you update the image, and that updates the preview up above here that you can hover over and zoom in and make sure that all of your information has been entered correctly. You can also use PDF proof if you would prefer to download and print out a copy for review. Once you are satisfied that all the information has been entered correctly, you just select Next to review the second page. In this case, there's no variable information on the second page, so you can just move on to the next step, which is to review the page that you have selected on the top here. Will determine the page that is shown on the screen. So review the information, and when you're ready to continue with the order, enter your initials. That is your proof approval. That is saying that you have reviewed the contents of this proof and possibly the PDF proof and are ready to place the order. So you select Next, and now you'll be presented with an option for different quantities of the card that you have chosen. I'll choose 100 in this case, update the price, and add it to cart. You also have the option to review or upload your artwork again and to customize or review your design before proceeding. Once you have added to the cart, you have the option of typing in a memo. This can come in very handy for finding orders in the future. So we recommend you type in something descriptive that you can recognize. You then have the typical options of a shopping cart situation. You can remove all items. You can continue back to the catalog and add more items, or you can proceed to checkout, save for later, etc. I will proceed to checkout. At this point, the default shipping location for your company will show up in the Ship to Company, and you can choose that, or if you have a bill to address, that will show up as well. If you have a list of addresses that you want to save on the system for future use, you can upload them into the address book from a CSV file, or enter a different shipping address down below here, in which you can save to the address book if you prefer. I'm just going to ship to the company in this case, and now you'll be presented with some turnaround options: 7 to 10 day, 3 to 4 day with a markup cost, and also the shipping methods with the estimated cost of shipping. So select your options here and continue. At the payment stage, you will actually be asked for your credit card information in a secure window. The demo company that I'm using actually has terms, and so I'll simply enter a purchase order and continue. At this point, it asks for a billing address. So if you're using a credit card, make sure the credit card billing address is entered correctly here. If it is changed, go ahead and edit it down below. The final stage is the review stage. This includes all of the shipping and payment information, and if you have any special handling notes, especially if you've uploaded more than one address for shipping, enter them here and the order will be reviewed before being sent on to production. If there's no notes for the order, it will go directly into production, and you can simply place your order, and now you are finished. Once you have placed your order, you can view the status of that order online by going to My Account, View Orders, and all of your historical orders will be listed here. And you simply click on the order number to view the status of that order. So you can see the status of the order, where it is in production, where it will be shipped to, and where the billing is. And if you need to upload updated files later, we have a place to do that. We also recommend going to My Account and updating your profile information and login information, especially your password. You should have a unique password, not the generic one that we have provided. And you can update the information for your profile to include the correct address and contact information for the login that you are using. Remember, you can log back in at any time and place more orders or review the status of your current orders under My Account, View Orders. Thank you.